Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I'm the instructor for this practical series on computer science with Python. So let's start with practical number 5. In this we have to write a program to create a binary file with roll number, name and marks and input a roll number and update the marks. So for this I will go to my browser and I will open the whole app. So I will write as CS practical number 5. Practical number 5. So in this we will use some commands. Practical number 5. So we will create a binary file with roll number, name, marks and input a roll number and then update the marks. In this we will use pickle function. It is used for serializing and deserializing Python object structure. Then we will use dump when Python object is required to be stored in a file. Load reads the pickle object from a file while loads deserializes them from the bytes like object. Seek is used to set the position of the file cursor and tell it returns the position where the cursor is set to begin reading. Okay, so let's start with our program. First I will import pickle since it is a binary file, so we have to import pickle. Then I have to define a function called write. Then we will open. First we will write a file name as to student details .dat. Since it is a binary file, we will use the .dat extension. In WB, since we are writing a binary file, so I will use WB. So now we will use while true loop. Here I will use R for entering roll number. So I will use the input function to enter roll number. Since roll number is an integer value, so before input I will write int. Then I have n, and again I will use input function. Then enter name. Since the name is a string, so we will leave it as it is. Since input function makes the things default as a string value, then we will press M. Then again I will use input function. Here I will write enter marks. So marks will be an integer value, or if you need you can use float as well, because in some cases we have 80.5 or 90.5 like marks, so yes, we can record that as well. So now we have to record these three values, so I will make them a list R N M, and then now we will use this dump pickle dot dump, and I will write this record comma F. Then I will write the choice ch, and I will write input. It will be our input function, and would you, after each entry this message will reflect, would you like to enter more records? And we will have a choice called yes or no. If yes, the loop will go forward. If no, Then I have to write a condition here. If ch in n, then it will break. So I will write a break command here. Then I will close this. F to close. After that, we have to define one more function called read. So we have written a file, and now if I execute this program till now, I will get an indentation error. Okay, so what it tells, it just has to be this way. Okay, I'm not getting any input outputs, but if I see this file, that one file should be created here, student details.dat. Okay, so let's move on, and I will again just created. Now I will start reading the file. So def read f equal to open. Now I am reading the file. So student details. Make sure the spelling is same as you have previously written. .dat. Then now this time we are reading the file, so I will use this rb command. So now if I try and I choose while true, then rc dot. Now I will use this pickle load function here. Then I have to just print record except EUF error. Note EUF will be in capital and in error E will be capital. So any mistake will result in an error. Now f dot close. So this try and accept will be in the same. And this f close has to be in the same like f open. We can simply call the function write and then read. Let's execute this program. I'm getting an indentation error here, f dot close. So this okay, so this has to be here. Now let's just execute this. So it is asking me to enter roll number. So if I enter roll number like 100, name is Rahul, enter marks 89. Would you like to enter more records, y or n? If I select y, then it will again ask me to enter roll number. So if I now I have 96, sorry, okay, the roll number is 96. Name should I write Rohit? Enter marks. Suppose marks is somewhere around 88. So again enter roll number. So roll number, if I write for 102, enter roll number. So you can see that even if I have entered a number here, it is giving me an option to enter roll number, because we have not defined for y, we have only defined for small n, capital N. If choice is n, then it will break the loop, but if we enter any other value, it will provide me opportunity to enter one more number. So enter roll number, suppose if I 103, enter name Sumit, enter marks, suppose the person has scored 75. Now if I again press enter, now would you like to enter more records? If I press no for capital and small n, then I will get the list, the record here. Okay, and if you look at this, you will get one student details.file created here. Okay, so this way we can create a binary file. So now we have to update the value here. Okay, so to update, what we will write, we will write one more command here. First I will define update. F equal to open. So again the full student details, so I have to write student, just make sure the spelling is fine. 38. I'm writing RV plus for both read and write. Okay, and then I will write roll number. It's an input function. Okay, so it is a roll number, so it is an integer value, so I will put int, then input, then enter roll number, to update the marks. Okay, so if I write record to here and put um stands for update marks. Okay, then if I write f.seek, then PO is a position. If I write pickle dump, and in bracket I will write rec and f. Then I will again So we need to make some adjustment here. So after roll number we need to write this like while true. We have to open this loop and we have to write pause dot F10. So now if I write direct, we have to load the function dot load, then write here f. Now if record is 0 and equal to roll number, now then we can write update marks equal to, so it's an integer function, we will use int command then input. So whatever the updated marks we want to enter, we can enter it, then enter marks, enter updated marks. So our this form will come here under this under updated marks. Okay, now we have to write one function for accept error so that we don't get any exceptional error here. Accept EOF and error E is capital. Okay, then I can just close this file here, f dot close. So I can simply just copy here. I don't need all this, so I just simply copy from here. Here, okay. So after some minor adjustment, my final program will be like import pickle, defined it. This for the write function, then this for the read function, and this for the update function. Okay. So now if I try to execute this, now it is asking me to enter roll number. So I will enter 101, enter name. So suppose I write Rahul. Enter mark. Suppose the person has scored 88. Yes. 102. Enter marks. Enter name. So I write Rohit. Enter marks. Suppose if I write 89. Yes. 103. Enter name. Yeah. Enter marks 91. Would you like to enter more records? I will no, I don't want to enter. So I have 3 records, 101, 102, 103. So suppose enter roll number to update the marks. Suppose I want to update for Rohit. I will enter the updated marks. He has scored 89. Suppose he has scored 95. So I want to update the marks, so enter updated marks. I will press enter. So the new result is at 102 it was 89, now it is 895. So here how can we update the marks? Okay, so our next step will be to, if the record is not found, we have to show that the record is not found. So for that we have to just write found equal to 1 here. Okay, and here I have to write if found equal to 0, and we have to print record not found. I try to execute this. So I'm executing in it. Next cell. Okay. So I'm just copying it here. Okay, let's execute here only. So if I shift enter, file is found equal to 0. Okay. Syntax, we have to put a semicolon here. Now if I execute this, so it is asking me to enter roll number, so 101. Enter row name, suppose Rahul is the name. The enter mark, suppose the person marks is 87. Let to put yes 1011. Suppose the person name is Rohit. Enter mark, suppose the person has got 91012. Roll no 012. Enter name. Enter marks, suppose the person has scored 94. Would you like to enter more records? No. So this is our roll number is 1010, Rahul 87. This we are getting roll number, name and marks. So if I want to update the marks for Rohit, so I will simply 1011 enter the updated marks. So suppose a person has scored 96 and 97. So this 91 has changed to 97. What if